Good morning, children. This is your English literature class, and today we are going to study the remaining part of chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Adventure in the Andaman. So what you have studied yesterday? There is a boy named Manav who went to Andaman Island with his parents to spend his summer vacation. This boy loves swimming in ocean. So while swimming in ocean, he met a little turtle and he had friendship with him. So next day what happened? This turtle took this boy Manav to deep inside the ocean, where Manav saw coral reefs, smiley eels and numbers of starfish. After that he met number of turtles and Tiny introduced them as family members of this tiny turtle. So next we will proceed. This was Tiny's family. I was dizzy with excitement. Dizzy means about to faint. So as he saw number of turtles together and they are the members of Tiny's family, so this Manav was about to faint. After a few moments, I thought it best to thrust my head out of water and get some fresh air. So after some time, this Manav thought to come out of the water to have a fresh breathing. So he thrust my head. To thrust my head means just to pull something out with force. So he pulled out his head out of water to have a break. Then as I plunged back down to join, plunge means to dive or go back. Okay? As I plunged back down to join Tiny, I nearly choked. So as this boy dived back to water to join Tiny, he was nearly shocked. But why? Choked means become unable to breathe or to speak due to some strong emotion. Okay? Why this Manav was choked? I saw him twisting and turning in a section of fishing net. A silver hook planted firmly in his back left leg. Why this Manav was shocked? Because he was shocked because he saw this tiny back left leg was hooked with a fishing net. Wait, Tiny, I cried. I will help you, but you have to trust me. This Manav said, I will help you, but you have to keep faith on me. I will help you. Tiny stayed perfectly still, but I could see the pain in his eyes. So as this word Manav said that I will help you, Tiny became still. वो शांत एकदम हो गया. But Manav could see pain in his eyes. मतलब देखा तो उसके आंखों में दर्द था. My hands were shaky. Shaky means shaking or trembling. It is just moving. कांप रहा था. Manav's hand was just moving, trembling. But soon I gently pulled the hook free. But this Manav was able to pull the hook from his leg, and net came out, and Tiny was safe. Okay? So this Manav helped Tiny. He took out the net and made him free. I gathered up the net as I didn't want any other turtle getting caught. So gathered up means to fold or keep fixed together. Okay? So this Manav took all the net together so that no other turtle gets hooked by this net again. I suddenly realized I had been away from beach for quite some time, and suddenly this Manav realized for a long time he was in water. So I wave to turtle family and rose to the surface. So he thought that I have to go back. So he say bye to all and come back over. He rose himself to the surface of water. He come out of water. But the beach seemed so far, and my parents were just tiny dogs, little dogs. I had never been so shocked or frightened in my life. Tears filled my eyes as I tried to keep moving my hands and feet. They felt as if they were made of iron. So, as Manav come out of water, जब से वो पानी से बाहर आया, ऊपर आया, he saw on the beach his parents as a small dog. मतलब वो देखा कि उसके पेरेंट्स beach was very far away. उसके पेरेंट्स बहुत दूर थे. और he was so shocked. वो देखा कि इतने दूर हम पानी के बीच में, मेरे पेरेंट्स इतने दूर हैं, ये बहुत शॉक हो गया, ये बहुत डर गया. He was frightened. वो अपने लाइफ में इतना कभी नहीं डरा जितना वो डर गया. और डर से क्या होता है? Tears filled my eyes. और जब हम लोग डरते हैं आंखें पानी आ जाता है. In the same way, tears comes in his eyes, and he tried moving his hand and feet, but he was unable. जब वो हाथ पैर हिला के तैरने की कोशिश की, he was unable. तो उसे ऐसा लगा कि पैर उसके हाथ पांव लोहे के बने, it is not moving. He was unable to swim. Tiny, I cried, I am so tired, and the beach is so far away. I simply can't swim back. So, as Manav was very frightened, he was unable to swim, so he cried and called Tiny. वो इतना डरा हुआ था कि वो बुलाया किसे? टाइनी टर्टल को, और बोला कि बीच इज सो फार, मतलब बीच समुद्र किनारा इतना दूर है और मैं तैर नहीं सकता, मैं कैसे वहां जाऊंगा. Suddenly I found a huge turtle beneath me. Beneath me मतलब उसके नीचे. I gently reached down to hold the edge of her shell, and she started to move slowly. मतलब वो टर्टल देखा अचानक से उसके नीचे एक बड़ा सा टर्टल है, और वो नीचे जाके टर्टल का जो शेल था उसको पकड़ लिया. And this turtle started moving along with her. This Manav is also started moving. I held my breath, and we soon started moving. Held my breath means waiting and hoping in fear. In fear मतलब जब हम डर जाते हैं तो कुछ कोई आशा का किरण जिसको कहा जाता है वो ही. Held my breath means he was just watching and hoping as he could swim with this big turtle. We soon started moving through the water easily. As big turtle was moving along with it, Manav is also moving. Okay? I found that Tiny followed us too. It was a ride I would never forget. And this Manav saw along with this big turtle he was moving, and with them this tiny turtle too was moving. He was also coming with his friend Manav. मतलब बड़ी वाली टर्टल जो थी तो मानव के उसके सहारे तैर पानी पार कर रहा था, और उसने देखा कि साथ में टाइनी टर्टल भी उसके साथ जा रहा है. I spotted my worried parents walking up and down the shore waiting for me. Shore means beach, समुद्र का किनारा. So as he Manav saw that his parents were worried. वो देखा कि उसके पेरेंट्स बीच पर घूम रहे हैं और they are waiting for this Manav, चिंतित है. As soon as it was shallow enough to me to stand, Tiny and the big turtle moved away. और जैसे ये मानव कम डेप्थ वाले पानी में आया, जैसे कि जहाँ पर वो मानव खड़ा हो सकता है, टर्टल, बिग टर्टल एंड टाइनी टर्टल मूव अवे, वो दोनों वहां से हट गए. I stood on shaky legs and I looked back. और जब वो दोनों हट गए तो वो वहां पर खड़ा हो गया, तो उसके पांव जो थे was shaking. It was shaking. And as he looked back, Tiny poked his head out of water and gave me one final smile. Poke means was just keeping out, thrust out his head as he was standing and looked back. मानव जब वहां खड़ा हो गया कम पानी में और पीछे मुड़ के देखा तो there he saw turtle was putting his head out and finally giving him final smile. Lastly, he is giving the final smile to Mana. That was the last time I ever saw Tiny, but it was the best day of my life. तो मानव is telling, this writer is telling that was the last day. वो last day था जब उसने टाइनी से अलविदा कहा और लास्ट टाइम वो मिला, और वो this writer का सबसे बेस्ट डे ऑफ द लाइफ था. That day was the best day of his life. I told my parents what had happened and even showed them the nets, but they just thought I had been playing engineering game. फिर मानव जो है he told everything about the incident to his parents, but the parents didn't believe on the story. उसके पेरेंट्स को विश्वास नहीं हुआ और वो लोग सोचे कि he must have been playing imaginary game, कोई भी not real game खेल रहा होगा जिसमें वो ऐसा सोच रहा है. I still have that net today, but never told anyone else my story. So this Manav is having, this writer is having that net till now. Still he is having that net, but he never told the story to anybody because nobody is believing on the story. I knew nobody would ever believe me. मतलब कोई मुझ में विश्वास नहीं करेगा except maybe you and maybe children. Are the people are having belief on this Manav?